If you've been dealing with back pain from long hours at your desk, this CHAIRKER Executive Big and Tall Office Chair might be exactly what you need. I've been testing this chair for a couple of weeks now, and the timing couldn't have been better since my current office chair was starting to tear in the seat cushion. The main challenge with most office chairs is they either lack proper lumbar support or the cushioning breaks down after a few months of heavy use. What makes this CHAIRKER chair different is its manual airbag lumbar support system, plus that ultra plush double layer seat cushion with padding that's built to last. This chair delivers some serious comfort benefits. The customizable lumbar support adapts to your body's needs throughout the day. You literally pump it up or release air as needed. The double layer seat cushion maximizes that wraparound comfort, while the silent spring padding gives you robust support without feeling rigid. The high back design with thick padding creates this cocoon sensation that's perfect for those long work sessions. You'll also get 360-degree swivel, smooth height adjustment, and armrests that flip upward to save space. The breathable fabric is easy to clean and sweat resistant. Plus, it comes with BIFMA certification and a lifetime warranty. Assembly took me less than 20 minutes, and here's the key. Pay attention to the left and right stamps on the armrest. I missed this the first time. Not fun. The directions are well laid out, and they provide a T-handle Allen wrench that makes tightening all the bolts quick and easy since they all use the same size. Once assembled, the hand pump for lumbar support is right there within easy reach. The side handle adjusts your height smoothly, and there's a knob under the seat to control how much the chair rocks. The style works well whether you're in a home office or corporate setting. With 8 reviews and a 4.8 star average, this chair is still building its reputation, but the BIFMA certification gives you that safety and durability assurance. Compared to basic office chairs, you're getting that adjustable lumbar support and premium cushioning. The lifetime warranty is something you don't see often in this category, which shows the manufacturer's confidence in the build quality. This chair delivers on comfort and functionality, especially if you need proper lumbar support and spend long hours at your desk. The easy assembly and quality construction make it a solid choice. Just remember to check those armrest labels during setup to save yourself some time. If you're looking for an ergonomic office chair that combines comfort with durability, this one's worth considering. The CHAIRKER Executive Chair on Amazon using my affiliate link below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and be sure to like and subscribe if you find this type of content helpful.